Understanding has seen better days. Unraveling English Idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and accessible. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase, has seen better days. This idiom paints a vivid picture of something or someone's past glory and how it contrasts with the present. Let's explore this phrase together, understand its meaning, usage, and see how it can enrich your English conversations. Has seen better days refers to something or someone that was once in a better state or condition but is now worn out, deteriorated, or less favorable. It's a poetic way of acknowledging past excellence while noting the current decline. This phrase can apply to objects, places, and even people, offering a respectful nod to their history and previous achievements. The phrase, has seen better days, has literary roots, often traced back to William Shakespeare's works, such as in As You Like It and Timon of Athens. Shakespeare used this expression to convey characters or objects' lost splendor. Over time, it has become a common saying in English, retaining its elegant way of depicting change and nostalgia. Using has seen better days in conversation can add depth and empathy to your observations. Here are a few examples. This old house has seen better days, but you can still sense its former beauty. My grandfather, though he has seen better days, tells the most fascinating stories of his youth. This textbook has seen better days. It's time for a new edition. Notice how the phrase can evoke a sense of respect for the past while acknowledging the present reality. Let's practice with more examples. Try to create your sentences using has seen better days, or identify situations around you that fit this description. Whether it's a cherished item, a historic landmark in your city, or even discussing a favorite old movie, using this phrase can help you connect more deeply with your audience or conversation partner. Thank you for joining us today to explore the meaning and beauty behind the phrase, has seen better days. It's a wonderful example of how language can capture the passage of time, respect for history, and the reality of change. We hope this video enriches your English vocabulary and helps you express complex ideas more elegantly. Remember, every phrase you learn opens up new avenues for understanding and communication. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.